Today's video is going to be something that actually uses mayo. Ramen burgers. Recently, I've been getting a lot of questions about these videos. Questions such as, why do all your videos contain mayo? Why are your videos so cursed? Can you please stop giving me nightmares? Step 1. Boil the noodles, as usual. I'm going to be making a double portion, so making it just for yourself or just want a single portion, divide everything by half. While noodles are cooking, you can do things like cut the green onions. Noodles are done cooking. Go drain them. Rinse your noodles in cold water to get rid of the starches, as well as make them cold. Then set the noodles onto a baking sheet lined with paper towels and leave to dry. Let's move on to the Yuzu burger. Take a packet of seasoning and add to your half-pound burger. Well, this is actually 1 pound, but you know. Then simply form it into a patty. Sort of dry noodles, and now split them in half. While a ring mold isn't strictly necessary for this, it makes it a lot easier. Pro tip, if you have a shallower, smaller pan, then you have to use a lot less oil in order to deep fry. When your oil's at about 350 degrees or so, go and drop your noodles. We're looking to not necessarily get color on them, we're just looking to cook out more moisture so that they become hard again. And you may ask, why are we hydrating them just to deep fry them again? That's because our noodles aren't actually cooked fully to begin with, they're only part cooked. So what we need to do over here is to cook them all the way through. This also just makes them tastier because, you know, deep frying. Burgers. I'm pan frying mine, but you can cook yours however you like. And speaking for burgers, in terms of pan frying, what I'll do is I'll turn it super hot to begin with, get a nice crust and get a nice sear to start. Then I'm actually gonna give it a good flip and then just cover it so it can steam and cook through all the way. Cooking. Let's prepare the rest of the meal set. Soup, pretty simple. Add your packet. Add hot water. Add some green onions for garnish. You're done. Dressing's incredibly easy as well. For a bowl like that, you probably only need about a tablespoon of dressing. So 1 part lemon juice, 2 parts olive oil. This is a lot more dressing than is needed for that, but I'm doing it for demonstration purposes. The oil packet, fold in half. No greasy hands. Finish salt. Just about a tablespoon of this. Drizzle it on. And you want to do this right before eating. That way the greens stay crispy. Mix and toss the salad. See how juicy that is? See all the juices? If you cut into it now, you're going to lose all of it. So, if you let it rest, it'll stay in there. Assemble? Pretty easy. Ramen, burger, green onion. Have this ready on the top. And of course, you can't forget the condiment. Ew! Finishing touch, add a little drizzle of your yuzu oil. And that's how you make a Yuzu Shoyu Ramen Burger dinner set.